We will learn how to boot VPS in rescue mode using Virtualizor in this tutorial. Rescue mode can be used for data recovery, to repair your OS, and for various other purposes. Click on the Manage icon of the VPS to which you wish to boot. Click to go to the rescue mode option. Currently, the rescue mode is disabled. Now enter the root password in the given text input boxes and then click on the Enable Rescue Mode button. The process has been started and it can take some time to be completed. The rescue mode has been enabled now. In case SSH is not accessible, we can access our VPS in rescue mode via SSH with our root new password set earlier. We can access the SSH from VNC also. I will show you how you can access it. Let's click to open VNC and launch HTML5 VNC client. Now we can access our VPS in rescue mode from here by entering our username and the new root password. By clicking on the Disable Rescue Mode button, we can disable this mode anytime. Thank you for watching.